accounting for southeastern Leesore County, western Rice County, northwestern Steele County, northern Waseca County, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:32 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Elysian, or 16 miles east of Mankato, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Alma City, Janesville, Greenland, Elysian, Waseca Airport, Waseca, Waterville, Cicada Lake State Park, Kilkenny, Morristown, Deerfield, Warsaw, Owatonna Airport, Owatonna, Clinton Falls, Medford, Faribault Airport, and Lonsdale. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Leesore, Rice, Steele, and Waseca. This is weather radio station KEC 65 Minneapolis.